morning everyone, I am trainer Jatinder. Today I am very happy to share with you one more success story. Let's welcome Jatinder. Jatinder is one of those students who I taught in my hometown after I joined Upfront tutorial. His journey from a small village near Fagwada named Roorkee to getting PR in Canada is an inspiration for all of us. In fact, everyone from his batch, including Mukesh, Mohit, Robin and Manish, not only scored some good band in IELTS, but also helped me to attain a reputation as a formidable trainer in Fagwada city. Teaching their batch was a matter of prestige for me and also proved a stepping stone for better things in their life as well. Today, I am proud of his achievements and I am very excited to have him with us today. Now, I would like to hand over to him to know about his experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this great pleasure. I really feel happy today because I come back from Canada after 5 years. I started with Jatinder sir 5 years ago, and I hope for the future as well. The bond will be stronger in future. I started from the small village, and after the study I started training under the Minister for the IELTS. After getting a good band score, there was a bit struggle in Canada in the starting years, but I really feel happy I came back with so many achievements. Thank you so much for the pleasure.
Thank you.